like that. There's a rope hanging right there, look. Kinda hanging right there. I've hung a rope on this before and climbed down right here. Just for the hell of climbing down right here, you know? And it seems like right up here there was another spot. I think we'd loop a rope around this and drop it down the side right here. I think. Somewhere right here. Maybe it was.
That rope's laying there.
Yeah. It was down here we would twist a rope around this right down here. Look at them new fallen rocks. Right here, we'd put a rope around that and hang it off right here and climb down. What's up in there? Probably nothing. I guess we go back and go down that easy way or whatever. Yeah, I know. It's just like an 80-foot drop, so. Getting close. Coming through there. Wonder what's back in there. This is a slick bitch. Is this going to be doable? I mean, I guess it has to be, don't it? Yep. Nope. I'm kind of stuck. There's nowhere to go. Hold on. It'd be okay if my shoes weren't so slick. I'm not going to. Light me up right there. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Just a little treacherous. Yeah, underneath where your hand is right there, yeah. And then that one that's behind your hand. Yeah, right there on the back side. Yeah, and then swing your foot all the way over here. Right in there. Yeah, that's what I did. And right down here with a foot. And then over to here with a foot. And then just kind of come on, you know. see. We'll go back out right there, I guess. It'll probably be easiest. Look at all the sand down in here, man. That's crazy. Yeah, it is. Now we're down in here. Right back here. What you gotta do is, if you want to. Yeah, I know. I know. It's all that. Remember, there's like a little V right here. Yeah, you can see the mud line right there. See where it slid off? And down in there? Yeah. That's what I'm saying. See the mud line? Look. Look right here. See this line? The debris line? How deep it was? Yeah. 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 That was the floor up there. Yeah. I mean. Yeah. I know. Yeah. Yeah. I've seen the water right here before. Yeah. Yeah, go over and down. No, it was right there. Yep. No more of that. Look at the rocks in here now. Holy crap. These rocks weren't here. Not these. No, not these big boulders. I don't know. Probably got uncovered. Yeah, they weren't. They fell. Look, from right there. There's the tire. Wonder if we can get in right there and go somewhere. Probably don't want to, you know it. Yeah, this is all new rock fall right here. Oh. Worm. Okay. Yeah, used to. It was right over here. Wow. Oh yeah, it's still right here. Yeah, right here. Down through there. Enough under. Yep. That goes. That's a methane line. Run to Howard's. Yeah. Yep. And that backwalk line's back here, and then exit 5 or whatever. This is so strange looking. Yeah, look at all that. That's fresh. Uncovered. Old formation, but freshly uncovered. Very cool. Yeah, there's been a lot of water through here. Right. Okay, here's, look, somebody's hung a rope. Yep. Okay, remember this used to be flat. Way back through there. And then I used to climb this right here. It was flat, way up through there. And climb way up in there, and way back in there. Is it? Okay. I'm down. So that's the exit up there. I've never been to it. Nope, never made it. This goes nowhere, right? Yeah, it goes there, Peter's up. Right.